Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can issue cash invoice on Bokio accounting software. To issue cash invoice, we need to go to invoicing section and there is invoices. From here, to issue cash invoice, click on this drop down list and select new cash invoice. We need to select customer or create a new customer. You can still change currency as well as if you wish to include VAT, and click add new row. In my case, I will select health and safety book and there will be 5 purchased. Click on add to invoice. If you need to provide text details, click on text details. This would not impact any amounts provided in health and safety book line, so here. Select cash invoice date, so it was 22nd in my case. And we can email to customer, or we can actually download and hand it, for example, once they come to pick up their books. So in my case, I will download and print it out. So I can save as a draft this cash invoice, preview as PDF, or download and publish. Now I need to select a payment. So for these books, I have received money in cash, but it's been used in other ways. So for example, if you have wireless paying machines and a store, so maybe it was going into directly in company bank account. So in my case, it would be receiving a cash, and click register payment. Don't forget to record transactions and click done. So now I can download cash invoice, and it's also previews or shows as a preview cash invoice here below. Okay, if I go back to invoices and if I click on all invoices, there is invoice recorded as paid. So this is a way how you can issue cash invoices on Bokio accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Bokio tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.